Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to unblock someone on Instagram. So let's get started. First, open up your Instagram app. Okay, then click on the profile icon on the bottom right side corner here. Okay, then click on the menu option on the top right side corner. Then go to settings. In the settings, you just need to go to the privacy option. Then scroll it down a little bit and you will see blocked accounts. Just click on that. In this option you will see the accounts you have blocked in. If you want to unblock a particular account, you just need to click on the unblock option. Like I want this account to be unblocked, so I will go to the unblock option here, click on that and click on again on the unblock, and now this particular account has been unblocked. That's how you can unblock someone on Instagram. Hope this video helps you. If yes, please make sure to like, share and subscribe.